have a free account first, that is good that you have. If you don't have, then you can simply visit Fiverr.com and make a profile, which is absolutely free to join. So once you make the profile, then you can make a gig like this with background removal. For example, I will do photo background removal, and this guy saying I will do amazing photo background removal, stunning image editing. So you can take the idea that how you can make the gig on Fiverr. You can see different gigs and you can take the idea and then you can do it there. So first come to that how people are making money on these Fiverr or on these gigs. So how? If you look, there are thousands of people that they have gigs available on Fiverr and they have bunch of money and they are making bunch of money. So if you look to these guys, look, this one is level 2 seller and he is taking 127 reviews. He has means this much orders or more than this orders he has completed already by just $5, $10 and $30. So then once you become develop in this process, then you can make your rating or your price higher. So first, if you join, so you need to just select $5 or something like that. So you see, these are all the guys that they are changing the background removal, and these guys are changing the background removal by Photoshop and other programs, which is very difficult and absolutely a high rated or complicated job that these people are doing. This guy is charging $150 and these guys are charging $5. So it depends on people's skills and the people profile. So background removal is very easy, like this one you see here. So this is the original photo and here they change the background, means remove the background here, which is excellently looks the person very good and excellently visible. Means after that, when he remove the background, he can add to the background any other photo or leave like this. So that is simple editing. So how you can make money with this? So if you come to this guy, okay, I will show you one guy that how he is making. This guy is having 253 reviews at $5. If you click on this, so that is his original gig. He has completed 253 gigs or reviews. Sorry, he has completed or taken 253 reviews, and one other order is in queue, means he is already having one order and he is working on that, and he is level 2 seller, means he's taking too much money. Basic is that he's removing 15 image background removal plus GPT. He is taking by $5. This is basic and this is standard. He is charging $20 and premium he is charging $30. Means this guy is not only selling by $5 and standard he is charging $20 and premium he is charging $30. Means that is big money per year or per month or per day that he is taking. If you get this 10 or 20 orders daily and you just get charged $5 in the beginning, you will have easily $100 a day, which is absolutely a free method and a free way to make money online on Fiverr. That is that much cool. So how you will, the question is that how you can change the background and what is the main trick that you can do. So I will introduce a website which is absolutely free, remove.pg. Remove.pg is a website that you can upload the photo easily and then they can change the background comfortable. For example, how you can do that? Just click on the select photo. Once you select, choose the picture. For example, I'm choosing this one. Once you choose the picture or the photo, so they will bring and change the photo absolutely and very easily. So this is the main photo and this is background removal. It is really funny and it is excellent way to make money online on this. You can simply click on the download button and send to your client and they will be happy. You can just do in 5 seconds. Just in 5 seconds. If you can do this in 5 seconds and you just send to your client and they will be happy, means more than less than 1 hour you have completed his project and he will be really happy and he can give the good review and also he can give tips. And tips means in Fiverr that they can give you extra money, $2, $3, $5 or something like that. So that is called tips. and you can make more than $100 a day once your profile is having more reviews and excellent and positive reviews you have on your profile. Then you can develop and you can earn more than $100 very easily directly from your phone. You can simply download this, and also you can edit. You can also change the background too. For example, you can come to colors and you can add these colors too. For example, which color you want to add to their background. And also photo. For example, this is the scene and the back. You can change. This is the cloud, for example. This is the garden, and this is something else. So you can change and add all these. If you have a client suggest another photo to be brought in the back, so you can also select photo. You can upload the photo and you can keep on the back. So that is really easily that you can change the background. You can change the background and you can remove the background in this simple easy 5-second step very easily, and you can make huge amount of money. So I will show you also my revenue, that how I make money also with Fiverr. So this is my account on Fiverr, and I'm not making good money on this because I'm not very active. So you have to be active every day and every hour that you can make more money. So these are the money that I made with this Fiverr account. And I sometimes change the background and sometimes work as a virtual assistant. When people are giving me the job and I'm completing, then I'm sending to them and they're accepting the projects and paying me the money. So that is a good job on Fiverr that you want to do from your home directly. It's absolutely a free way to sign up with the Get, and it's an excellent way to just communicate with the people or just have. And people can come. You don't need to communicate with people. People are come. Once you make the click, people will come and ask you that I have background removal, picture for background removal. Can you do that? So you send a message that yes, I can do absolutely. Just send me. Then they are sending, and you can upload to this website. Once you're done, you can send back to them, and they will pay you the money. And you can make $100 a day easily on Fiverr. So that is all the whole method for today's video, and hope you enjoy this video. And with a like, please, and comment and share with your friends. If you like this, then please give a like, comment and share with your friends. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button too. So just find out the link in the description of this video for sign up for this brilliant website, Fiverr, and also I will leave the link of remove GP, means for removal background website also. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, we will be notifying you. And if you want more, please visit our channel for more brilliant videos on making money online, whether it is full-time or part-time jobs. So till next brilliant video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.